And welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The third staging of Unity in the City concert took place in Kingston on Saturday night at the National Stadium. Despite the lengthy band changes, the show still managed to deliver in providing the ultimate gospel experience for the patrons who were out in their numbers. The event featured performances from gospel acts, which included Minister Marian Hall, who brought her powerful vocals as she performed on the show for the first time.
I've been fasting for the 3 days, and God revealed something to me on the first day, and I've been getting a fresh touch every day, fresh Holy Ghost. I know that He was gonna turn up tonight, so it was wonderful. It was wonderful.
Patrons shared their experience at the highly anticipated concert.
For me, it has really been good to see this kind of production for a Christian-oriented event. It really means a lot for, especially me, a minister of the gospel, a gospel artist as well.
It's just such a wonderful quality of musicians, of artists, of this whole event. I mean, Christians just coming out.
Other notable performances came from Fred Hammond, Tasha Cobbs Leonard, Rondell Positive, Rhoda Isabella, and the Unity in the City Choir. Gospel artist Rosa Isabella was left disappointed after her set was amended.
It's a bunch of mixed feelings for me, to be very honest. Came here with a very well prepared set, and I believe that the entire crowd had that expectation too. But in the middle of my set, it was cut. I just had one more song to do, and I don't know what 2 more minutes or 3 more minutes would have hurt.
However, the artist was happy with the reception she received from patrons whilst performing her track, Still Breathing.
What I'm happy about is one of my favorite songs that I delivered tonight, which is Still Breathing, the second song that I sang. The reception from that song is the best I've ever seen.
Headliner Travis Green was notably absent for the event. This year's staging of Unity in the City was hosted by IT Ellis and Elaine and saw a threefold initiative for change. The mega gospel event, which brings people together, free teen camps targeting disadvantaged young people, and becoming ambassadors for faith-based tourism in Jamaica. Dancehall artist Sean Storm has dropped his latest project dubbed The Superhero Rhythm. The compilation mix is now available worldwide and features dancehall top acts like Chronic Law, Sicka Rhymes, Lisa Hyper, and Vibes Cartel. The rhythm also features unreleased tracks from Sean Storm. The Superhero Rhythm is currently being distributed by veteran music executive Johnny Wonder. Sean Storm is known for his hit track Life, which has more than 4 million views on YouTube. He is currently serving time in prison alongside co-accused Vibes Cartel for the murder of Clive Lissard Williams. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran.